This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 6th of September. I'm James Spann. Hey, it is quiet around here. Dry through the weekend. The tropics are trying to heat up but having a hard time. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. These were captured early this morning at 5 a.m. That's the Inverness Skycam looking down below on U.S. Highway 280. Got those traffic light changes that kick in this morning out there. That'll probably create some minor chaos, but the sky is clear. There's the Jasper Skycam in Walker County, looking over toward the Walker County Courthouse, just seen from the King Building. And from Tuscaloosa. That is the view coming from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Upper high over Colorado and Kansas. Upper troughs over the northwest and the northeast. And around here, numbers look pretty good. We've got 61 at Fort Payne, 62 for Haleyville and Cullman. Our sky watcher at Black Creek near Gadsden is in the upper 50s this morning. Birmingham at 67. And like recent days, we'll warm into the upper 80s, probably a couple of low 90s over in West Alabama with a sunny sky. But hey, look at those frost and freeze advisories for parts of the northeast United States. It's getting cold up there. But under the ridge, you've got heat advisories for parts of North and South Dakota. Severe weather limited to parts of Montana today. And here's the rain for the next 5 days. And this is showing just hardly anything at all for Alabama. This is through Wednesday morning of next week, and it sure does look pretty dry for a while. Tropics trying to get active, but we're just having a hard time. Gabrielle fizzled out about as quickly as it developed over the Dominican Republic. Got that wave over the western Gulf, the far western, southwestern Gulf, but that's moving into Mexico this morning, and it probably won't have a chance to develop. African wave train looks pretty good. You got to admit that. And we'll see if any of those can get its act together when it comes off the continent there. But again, it's going to be fighting a lot of dry air, which has been one of the issues all season long. So for now, the tropics are quiet. Still no hurricanes. And if we make it through September 11th without a hurricane, this will be the slowest start to a hurricane season on modern record. We'll check the GFS. This is the Global Forecast System, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon local time. Upper high northeast of Denver, troughs in the northwest and the northeast, and around here, another sunny day. Highs 88 to 91. Great weather for high school football tonight. Tomorrow, great day for the college football games in the state. Got Auburn and Jacksonville State, among others, at home. The sky will be sunny, the high around 90, maybe low 90s in spots. Be pretty warm. And the same thing on Sunday. Good supply of sunshine, high pretty close to 90. No significant chance of rain. Go to Monday of next week. Upper high weekends, but it's pretty close. It's near Memphis, and down below that, another dry day. Lots of sun, the high at or just over 90. There's Tuesday, and you can see moisture trying to feed back up in here, but no dynamic support for rain. I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower. And even Wednesday's looking drier. We've had other runs that look maybe a little wetter, but that looks relatively dry. This is Thursday of next week, same thing. It's a very quiet pattern for much of the nation. And a week from today, upper high is around Lubbock, Texas. And around here, same thing. I guess there might be enough moisture for a few little isolated showers, but most everybody stays dry. It's a benign, calm weather pattern. We'll check September 21st, the end of the forecast. We still got ridging here across the deep south. The westerlies are up north, and again, that suggests kind of muggy, maybe a few scattered showers, but nothing too exciting, and no evidence of any tropical mischief in the Gulf of Mexico for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on the live stream or the television side this evening. That's ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.